Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will discuss how to digitize point, line and polygon features. So as you know that in the previous video we have learned how to georeference a topo sheet. Now topo sheet is a scanned image. It is a image, as you can see that it is in the form of pixels. So it is a type of raster data. Now, in the process of digitization, we convert raster features into vector data. So, it is a process of converting the raster data to vector data. Now, vector data is in the form of point, line, and polygon. So, we will see that how to digitize various features that are present on this topo sheet. In order to digitize, first we have to create a shape file. So first we will create a point feature, point shape file, and then we will digitize all the line features like roads, like highway or railway or a river or a canal, and then we will digitize some polygon features where area is more important, like some water body or some jungle is there or some forest is there. Like that we will digitize the features. Okay, so first of all we have to create a shapefile layer. So either you can go to layer option and create a layer and then go to new shapefile layer, or what you can do is here itself I have an option of creating a new shapefile layer, this V symbol. So anyways, any of them you can choose. Create layer, new shapefile layer, click on that, a dialog box will open up. Let's name it as point. Okay, and keep the other settings as default. Geometry type you please take it as point. And this again, every time I am keeping this coordinate, the project projection is WGS 84, so you can keep it as WGS 84. Although when we are supposed to calculate the length of a particular line or area of a polygon, we need to change it to some other projection system. We will discuss about it in the coming videos. Anyways, you just name the field, any name is fine. You can name it as places or points, anything, it is fine. Then the type will be the text data because you are going to name those places. Okay, or you can keep it as ID number also, it is fine. Click on add to field list. Okay, by default this ID is already added. We can remove it or keep it as such, not a problem. Then click on OK, and after clicking on OK you will see that a new shapefile is added, that is point shapefile. Okay, so in GIS everything works in the form of layers. So right now if I just uncheck my topo sheet, I can see nothing is added as a point, but after some time we will see when digitizing some points will be added. So click on this point shapefile. You can see in this menu a pencil will be there. These are the digitizing tools. If it is not there, please see whether digitizing toolbar is added or not. Okay, right click on this space and check digitizing toolbar. Anyways, let's go to take this pencil. It is for editing. Okay, and after clicking on that, here you will see an option of adding the points. So click on that, and now the cursor, the circular, this thing will appear on your topo sheet when you are scrolling. Okay, so first of all I must tell you that you should use the georeference topo sheet that we have learned in the previous video. So let us click on some point features here. Like you can see that here some religious places like temples and mosques and maybe church or gurudwaras are there. So I will just select this. When you click on that, it will show you what is the name of that point. You can give any name. Let me give a religious place. Okay, religious place. So one point is added, you can see. Then maybe this place, it is named as Kishangarh. I can give that name as Kishangarh. Like that I will be digitizing few points. You can digitize as many as required. Then next point, we can say that this is Mandi Samiti. So we will add that Mandi Samiti. Okay, Mandi. And then somewhere else, okay, I can take this here. There is a powerhouse, a Guladia. So I can take this as Guladia. That place name it is. Okay, and like that you can just scroll to somewhere else and then take some more points here. Let's say some villages they are, like let's say here I am taking this Papsara. Okay, maybe you will have some shops or maybe some other small communities that are there, some villages are there, some market, maybe some shopping mall, any point depending on which place you are digitizing. Okay, then here something called as Ramnagar is there, so I will type Ramnagar. Okay, like that you can see that I have digitized a few points. Now I will just stop it here, but you can digitize as many points as you want. So click on this option, save the layer edits, and all your edits will be saved. Okay, once it is saved, now you please uncheck this topo sheet and see all your points. You can see all the 5 points have been added. Later we will see in the symbology how we can label them. Okay, whatever names we have added, that will also be shown to us here. Now, let us digitize some road features, some line features. Let us digitize. Again, we have to create a new shape file. Go to layers. Okay, go to layers. Create a new shape file. Name it as line shape file. Okay, select geometry type line. Coordinate system, the projection system, keep it WGS84. Select line, type line. You can write anything like roads or anything you can write. Okay, add to the field list. Don't forget adding to the field list. We can remove this default ID so that only this is there. Now click on OK. You will see that a new shape file is added, line. Now again click on line. Click on that pencil for editing. Here you will see that new add line feature will be added here. So click on that. Again you can see a circle will be appearing. Now you can take any road here. For example, from this place Amroha, so many roads are passing here. Maybe some are state highways, some are the district roads, some are village roads. Depending on their importance, the thickness is less or more. So let us say I want to digitize this road. There you can see the cursor. So I will click on this add line feature, start digitizing. Okay, keep clicking, keep tracing the path. That's all you have to do. Okay, so I am doing some rough digitization, but you can do accurate also. So again, you can just complete that. I'm leaving it here. So when you want to add this, just right click and it will be added. So this box came. Now you can name it as, if you know the name of the road, well and good. Otherwise just leave it as road 1. Sometimes the road name will be mentioned on the topo sheet. So you can see a road is added. Similarly, you can use this road. We can digitize this road. Or let us say we can digitize this road also. Okay, it is going till here. So click here, start digitizing accurately. Till here. So let me write it as road B. Okay, like that you can take this road, keep on digitizing. Okay, like that. Road C. Now this was about road, and you can just save your edits. Now let's see, we can digitize some canal also. Here we have seen that there is a canal. Okay, so from here to here there is a canal. Let's quickly digitize this canal. So let us just trace the path by using your wheel of the mouse. You can drag. Trace the path accurately. And now I am not going to name it as a road, I will name it as feeder canal. Okay. Okay. So I have digitized a line feature. Now how can I check? Just uncheck this topo sheet and see whether whatever you have digitized is there or not. You can see road A, road B that I have digitized. Okay, and this is the canal. Although we can name it later on, that is a different thing. But let's just first see that how we can convert them. Now they are not in the pixel format. You can see however you zoom it, it will not it will be of the same, like resolution is not a thing here. This is a vector data, whereas this one topo sheet is a raster data. Now let us quickly digitize some polygon features. So for example, here I have 2 3 water bodies. I will use them. So first of all, you have to create a shapefile, name it as polygon, choose the geometry type polygon, keep the projection system same, keep the name also as polygon, and add it to the field list. ID you can remove. Okay, so it is added. Now click here, click on that pencil, click on this add polygon feature, and now very simple, just start from anywhere. So I'm starting from here. Okay, this feature I want to open jungle, mainly shisham, so it is a reserve forest. So here just trace the path roughly or accurately. Right now I am just doing a rough digitization. The more accurately you do, the better it is. And go to your last point. So when you want to end it, just right click polygon, you can write reserve forest. Okay, see, it is digitized. Similarly, you can use this water body, digitize it. Very simple. So I can say some pond, it is maybe some small pond. Okay, then maybe I can say this is also some small pond kind of a thing. Okay, so maybe I can write pond 2. Okay, so click on OK. Now you can see that you have digitized these 3 features. So again, uncheck your topo sheet and see point data, line data, and polygon data. Everything is here. Just save the edits. Okay, so you can see everything is there. Now you can also do one thing, is right click on that point to know whether you have done it or not. Right click on that point, go to attribute table, open attribute table, and see whether all the points have been added or not. See, I have added 6 points. Okay, in case you want to delete any point or in case you want to edit, that also can be done from the attribute table. Later on we will see some functioning of attribute table. There I will show you how to delete it or how to edit it. By mistake, sometimes we have taken some wrong point. So in this video, I have shown you how to see on this topo sheet. Also, you can see that we have digitized few points, few locations, few polygon, and this canal that you can see, canal we have done. In symbology, we will change the color so that it will be even more clear, like how to use that symbology and all, how to differentiate whether this is a road and that is a canal. Okay, how to differentiate whether this is a water body and that is a reserve forest. All that things we will see. This video was just about how to digitize. Just create a shape file, choose the geometry type, whether point, line or polygon, and accordingly digitize the features. Please remember to save your edits. Okay, and that's all for this video. I hope you have understood. Any doubts, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Thank you.